So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, we're just going to copy and paste the command, which will be down below in the description. It's going to start with @echo off. It's really long, by the way. It's going to end with pause. It's all going to be down below in the description. So just highlight all of this. And then do Ctrl+C to copy it. Come back to CMD. And then do Ctrl+V to paste it. It's now going to automatically start running for you. Now once you got to this stage, it's going to start running SFC scan now. Just wait for this to load. It's going to run all of this automatically for you. So just wait for this to load, this SFC scan now scan. Wait for this. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be completed. And now once that's been done, it's going to start running another scan that starts with DISM. So you just want to run this scan as well right here. Wait for this to load. Again, I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be completed. And now once that's been done, it should now be saying done. Restart your PC for changes to take effect. So for the last step, we're just going to restart our computer. And then the problem should be fixed.